Warning: 8 reasons your eyes may be itchy and red. Don't ignore these signs. Itchy eyes can be triggered by allergies, environmental pollutants, infection, and some conditions affecting the eyes. The treatments and home remedies depend on the cause. When your eyes become itchy and red, you'll do anything to relieve the irritation. But knowing the cause of your itchy eyes can help you find the right treatment and get some relief. The differences between symptoms of allergy and infection, for example, is important to understand so you don't make your condition worse. The following are 8 causes of itchy eyes and possible treatment options, including home remedies and prescription medications. 1. Seasonal allergies. If you get itchy eyes around the same time every year, you may have a seasonal allergy to ragweed or something else that blooms and releases pollen during certain times of year. One way to tell if you're dealing with an allergy, as opposed to an eye infection, is that you'll have other allergic reactions, such as sneezing and nasal congestion. Allergic symptoms are triggered by histamine, a compound released by cells to defend against allergens. Histamine causes an inflammatory response, and itchy eyes are among the common signs of histamine at work. One way to reduce symptoms is to avoid contact with seasonal allergens. Strategies include: pay attention to local weather reports and stay indoors when pollen counts are high. Keep home and car windows closed during pollen season. Take showers and wash clothes more frequently to help keep pollen away from your airways. Wear a pollen mask when you have to be outside. Over-the-counter antihistamine medications can be helpful in controlling symptoms. If your symptoms are especially serious every year, you may benefit from a prescription allergy medication. Because these medications can take some time to be effective, your doctor may recommend that you start taking them a few weeks prior to the onset of your allergy season. 2. Perennial allergies. Unlike seasonal allergies, perennial allergies are those you may have all year long. Things like mold, dust, and pet dander are among the more common perennial eye allergies. You also may be allergic to certain products in your home. The contact lens solution you use may be irritating your eyes. Or, the soap or shampoo you use may be the problem. If environmental allergens have been eliminated as the cause of your itchy eyes, try taking a break from a product that comes in contact with your eyes. It may be a process of elimination that leads to a solution, but it could be well worth your time. To find out whether you have an allergy, an allergist can administer a skin test for specific allergens. Small amounts of allergens, such as ragweed or pet dander, are administered just under the skin to see if the skin around the injection site shows any kind of reaction. These tests are safe for most children and adults. In addition to trying to reduce your exposure to an allergen, you can take medications, such as antihistamines or corticosteroids, to help reduce inflammation. 3. Airborne irritants. Some people are particularly sensitive to smoke, diesel exhaust, or even certain perfumes. Avoiding exposure to these irritants is the simplest solution. Soothing eye drops or a cool, damp cloth over your closed eyes may help you feel better fast. 4. Infection. Your eyes are vulnerable to viral, bacterial, and fungal infections, all of which can bring on itchy eyes. One of the more common eye infections is conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye because the white part of the infected eye turns pink. It's very contagious and often accompanied by drainage from the affected eye. Another possible eye infection is called uveitis, an inflammation of the iris, the part of your eye with color. Uveitis can cause eye pain and an extreme sensitivity to light. Both types of infections should be evaluated and treated by a doctor. Antibiotics may be used to treat conjunctivitis. Steroids also may be necessary. Anti-inflammatory eye drops may be enough to treat uveitis. In more severe cases, immune suppressant drugs may be needed. Uveitis, if not treated effectively, can lead to severe vision loss and complications such as glaucoma and cataracts. 5. Dry eye. Tears, which are a combination of water, oil, and mucus, keep your eyes moist and refreshed. For various reasons, your eyes may stop producing enough tears to keep your eyes from getting dry and itchy. One common cause is simply getting older. As you age, tear production tends to wane. Likewise, conditions such as diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis can also lead to fewer tears. Certain medications list dry eyes as a possible side effect. Those include antidepressants, medications that lower blood pressure, birth control pills, decongestants, Your eyes can also dry out because tears are evaporating too quickly. If you've ever been outside in the wind for a long time or in an environment with very low humidity, you may have noticed your eyes getting drier and itchier. Sometimes, a blocked tear duct or tear gland leads to dry and itchy eyes. Treating dry eyes may be as simple as using over-the-counter artificial tears, which are available as drops. Follow the instructions carefully. If you experience chronic dry eyes, see an eye doctor. You may need medicated drops. 6. Eye strain. Staring at a computer screen for a long time or trying to read in a poorly lit area can strain your eyes, causing them to feel itchy and tired. Driving for a long time, especially at night or on a bright, sunny day, can strain your eyes, too. Eye strain can also develop if you're forcing yourself to keep your eyes open and remain awake when you're tired. For some people, indoor heat or air conditioning can lead to strained, itchy, and irritated eyes. The best treatment is to simply rest your eyes periodically. If driving is putting a strain on your eyes, pull over and close your eyes. Take a nap or switch drivers, so your eyes can focus on closer objects than a long stretch of highway or oncoming headlights. 7. Contact lens use. Keeping your contact lenses in too long or failing to replace your lenses regularly can irritate your eyes, making them itchy and red. If you wear contact lenses, remember to take them out at night and follow other basic lens care steps. Follow your doctor's advice about how to care for your lenses and how often you should replace them. 8. Blepharitis. Red and itchy eyes may result from an inflammation of the eyelids known as blepharitis. It occurs when the little oil glands at the base of your eyelashes become blocked. Sometimes just keeping your eyelids clean is enough to resolve blepharitis symptoms, which may also include watery eyes and swelling. Blepharitis won't usually cause vision loss, but it can be a chronic problem that leads to conjunctivitis and other complications. Antibiotics and anti-inflammatory medications may be necessary to provide relief and avoid further problems. 5 safe home remedies for itchy eyes. 1. Use a cool compress. Soak a clean, soft cloth in cool water, squeeze it well, and place it gently over closed eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. This can calm itching, redness, puffiness, and irritation, especially when allergies, dust, or smoke are the trigger. Use a fresh, clean cloth each time. 2. Try preservative-free artificial tears. Lubricating eye drops, often called artificial tears, can help wash away pollen, dust, and small irritants while relieving dryness. Choose preservative-free drops where possible, particularly if you need them often. Do not use redness relief drops regularly, because they may worsen redness over time. 3. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Rubbing may feel good for a few seconds, but it can make itching and swelling worse by irritating the eye surface and spreading allergens. Instead, close your eyes and use a cool compress or artificial tears. Keep your hands clean before touching around your eyes. 4. Reduce pollen, dust, and pet dander exposure. If the itching comes with sneezing, a runny nose, or watery eyes, allergy is likely. Keep windows closed on dusty or high pollen days, shower after being outdoors, wash pillowcases regularly, and avoid sleeping with pets near your face. Removing the allergen is often more useful than repeatedly treating the symptoms. 5. Rest your eyes and remove contact lenses. Screens, air conditioning, wind, and long contact lens wear can dry the eyes and make them itchy. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look about 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Remove contact lenses before sleeping and take a break from them when your eyes are red or irritated. If you have crusting along the lashes, a warm compress and gentle eyelid cleaning may help. Important: do not put honey, lemon juice, rose water, tea bags, saliva, or any homemade liquid directly into your eyes. They are not sterile and can increase irritation or infection risk. See an eye doctor urgently if there is eye pain, blurred vision, strong light sensitivity, thick yellow/green discharge, eyelid swelling, injury, or symptoms that do not improve in a few days. These can point to infection or another condition that needs medical treatment. The bottom line: itchy eyes can be caused by a number of things, some more serious than others. If you find that you have frequent red, itchy eyes, talk with your doctor about treatment options.